Hello my lovely students, welcome back in another amazing video. Mbaniza mu video ya olunaku olwaleero. Yes, today we are going to look at the PH words. The PH words. What do I mean by this in Luganda? Leo tugenda kulaba ebigambo bitandisa PH. PH tugisoma tutya? How do we read words starting with PH letters? Are we together? Tusoma tutya ebigambo ebitandisa PH. Okay, that's what we are going to look at today. And don't forget, watch up to the end because I'm going to give you more examples. Okay, let's get started. So, PH, tujatula tutya. Sound of PH, this sound of PH, it carries that F sound. Once again, the PH carries the F sound. So, PH wojiraba, wabelanga waliwo F sound. We are going to look at examples. One more time. The PH carries that F. So in letters, when we are reading letters, this we call it F. Okay? So PH carries that F sound when you are reading it with other words. Waba okisoma n'ebigambo ebirala mu kizungu, mu luzungu, tugamba PH carrying a sound ya F. Let's look at some examples. I have a word like PHON and E. PHON and E. Of course, this is an English word, but it starts with PH. PH yesoka kuchine chigamba. How do I read this word? Don't forget, I told you that PH carries that F sound. It is as if you've placed F here. Okay? So if here we have F and O-N-E, we are going to read as phone. Are we together? So this is pronounced as phone because PH sound carrying a sound ya F. So ogenda gamba ewali PH wabelanga waliwo F. Ogenda gamba phone. Are we together? Phone. So this we read it as phone. Good. This in Luganda is called esimu. Phone in Luganda we read it as esimu. Another example. We have, how do we read this? Excellent. Photo. Photo, because the PH sound carries that F sound. So you're going to say photo. Photo. Photo in Luganda, we say ekifaananyi. Okay? Ekifaananyi. Excellent. Ekifaananyi. Photo. Ekifaananyi. We also have another example like PHY and SIC. We have physics. This is physics. Physics mu Luganda kisigalira because this is physics. Somo ly'oluzungu oba somo erikwatagana ku bya science bagita physics. Physics. Are we together? Good. We have a word PHA. How do I read this word? Pharmacy. Good. What is pharmacy in Luganda? Pharmacy in Luganda tugiyita ettundiro. Ettundiro lyaki? Ettundiro ly'eddagala. Okay? Ettundiro ly'eddagala. A place where we buy drugs from. It is called a pharmacy, but it starts with PH. Okay? So tugamba pharmacy. Wabelanga waliwo F. Pharmacy. Are we together? So, pharmacy in Luganda tugamba ettundiro. This is double T. Ettundiro ly'eddagala. If I have a word like this, PHOBIA, how do I read this? This is read as phobia. Excellent. Phobia. What is phobia in Luganda? Phobia in Luganda is okutya. Okutya. Ng'otya ekintu. Bagamba, I have phobia. Instead of using I have fear, you can say I have phobia for that. Okay? So we have phrase. Also common word. PHRASE. Phrase. Can you pronounce it? Phrase. Good. Phrase. Phrases are like sentences. And we say sentences ezo ziba emboozi mu Luganda. Okay? Emboozi. You are narrating something, so you are constructing sentences about that thing. So phrase, when there are many, we say phrases. Okay, phrases are emboozi mu Luganda kubanga oba olina kyoyogerako. Okay, so we have this last word. So this is your exercise for you to try out. You can send me the answer in the comment section. This word, how do I read this word? PH, we have I, L, O, S, PH, I, L, O, S, and O, P, How do I read this word? So this is yours for you to try. Are we together? So how do I read this word? Send your answers in the comment section and you can translate to Luganda. Okay, hope you've learned how we read the PH sound. Don't forget, at BennyBenny2178 on TikTok and YouTube. Always follow me for more lessons. Bye bye. Wait about.